What's up and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to schedule Instagram posts. If you're wondering how to schedule Instagram posts for free, if you're wondering how to schedule posts on Instagram and that too for free, this is going to be a tutorial for you to schedule it. Schedule Instagram post is not a difficult task altogether and you will learn it quite quickly. If you are a social media manager, in the previous video we saw how to schedule reels on Instagram. If you haven't watched that video, I'm going to share that link in the video description below. Please make sure that you go ahead and check it out. In terms of how to schedule how to schedule a post on Instagram, let's get quickly started because it's going to be superb helpful. Now, as you can see, I am on the Buffer application. It's basically an Instagram scheduling tool. It's not just for Instagram. Let me just clarify that. That Buffer is basically a social media marketing tool. And in this video, you will understand how to use Buffer for social media. One of the best social media management tools I have ever come across. It definitely has a paid version, of course, but as well as it also has a perk of having free version, which will allow you to go ahead and connect 3 of your social network accounts. Right now on the screen, as you can see, I have my Pinterest connected over here, I have my Twitter, and I have my Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly schedule a particular post for Instagram. Let's get quickly started. Now, the first thing that you need to keep in mind is, for example, if you're gonna post a single static post, that is one image altogether, you can go ahead and just click on this thing altogether. I'm gonna show you again. Click on create post, click on drag and drop or select a file. I'm gonna go ahead and select this particular file and open it. Just allow it some time to go ahead and upload. Hi there, it's just a WIP thing that I'm going to show you. And then you can either get an option to add it to a queue or save it as draft. I'm going to go ahead and click on the arrow here and schedule the post. After that, it will allow you to go ahead and select the date that you want to go ahead and schedule this particular post for. Let's say I want to do it for day after tomorrow. And you can schedule the time over here. It gives you a 12-hour option and you can click on schedule. However, there's a catch over here. For example, let's say you want to upload a carousel on your Instagram, or you want to schedule a carousel post on your Instagram account. Currently, Buffer doesn't allow you to add it in a sequence, so you will have to go ahead and upload the images one by one. What I mean to say is, for example, if I choose, let's say, this 4 images and allow it to go ahead and upload on the platform altogether. If you can see, currently it's not in the sequence that I want it into. And it doesn't even allow me to go ahead and resequence the particular posts altogether. So in this scenario, if you want to go ahead and schedule a carousel post on Instagram, you will have to go ahead and select the images one by one. So that would be basically about create a post, add an option, open the first frame that you want to go ahead of your carousel for Instagram, then again select it. It's basically a task, I know, but that is the only way you can go ahead about it as of now. Again, you need to do the same thing so that your images actually look in sync. Right now, if you see, they are looking into sync. Let me just go ahead and upload the 4th image as well. My carousel is about 5 websites to sell stock photos, and the first one is Shutterstock, Pickfair, IM, so on and so forth. You can start typing whatever you want. Once that is done, you can go ahead and click on the schedule post option, select the date, the time, and click on the schedule button. I am going to click over here, let's say 23rd, and I'm going to click on the schedule option as to 1:30 p.m. Once that is done, voila, you will be able to see your scheduled post for Instagram over here. After you have scheduled the post, you also have an option to go ahead and edit it in case if you have made some mistakes in terms of hashtags or spelling errors, or you also have an option to delete it. As this is right now currently there already on my profile, I'm going to go ahead and click on delete and confirm. So that was a short video about how to schedule posts on Instagram or how to schedule Instagram posts. If you liked the video, if you found it helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button, guys. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and consider subscribing to the channel. I keep on creating such kind of videos for you guys on a regular basis. I'll see you the next time.